So, if you're looking to start up an LLC in the state of California, then this video is for you. We'll be going through everything that you need to know about setting up a California LLC, as well as how you can set one up in under 10 minutes. So, on the left is an overview of the 5 main steps when it comes to forming an LLC in California. We'll be going through each of these in detail so that you will know exactly what to do. So, step 1 is to name your LLC. There are some rules when it comes to naming your LLC in the state of California. You must have limited liability company, LLC, or some similar designation at the end of your name. And whatever name that you choose also cannot cause any confusion with a government agency, which makes a lot of sense. And the name must also be distinctive and original. If you want to do a free name search, you can just use the link down below and you can see if the name that you want is available or not. Now, if you do want to just make this whole process a lot more simple, then I would just recommend using something like LegalZoom. This is an online platform that basically helps you set up your LLC for you at little to no cost to you. I've used them personally to set up multiple business entities and they've been nothing but amazing for me. So yeah, that link is going to be down below, and if you actually want to skip forward to the parts of the video where I take you through step by step on their platform, then that timestamp is going to be available right down there as well. So, step number 2 is to find a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or a business that is going to help you receive and send significant legal documents to and from the government on your behalf. So, in case you get sued or the state needs to contact you, they are going to contact you through your registered agent. So, who can be a registered agent? Well, they must be an individual living in California, or they must be an entity who is allowed to conduct business in California. They also must have a physical address in California, and they must be on site and available to accept documents during business hours. If you do use LegalZoom, they will actually provide this service to you for a reasonable extra fee. That is definitely an added bonus. Okay, so step 3 is to actually file your LLC articles of organization. This is going to include the LLC's name, the registered agent's name and address, purpose of LLC formation, management structure, so who are the actual managers of this company, and also a bunch of other really important information. Now, when it comes to the process of doing this, there are a couple of forms that you will need to know and to fill out. There is Form LLC 1. This is the Article of Organization form, and it's for businesses that are seeking to form an LLC in California. The filing fee for this form is $70 at the time this video was made, and that is a mandatory fee. Most of you watching this video will probably be filling out this form, but if you do have a foreign LLC and you pretty much just want to do business inside of California, then that is going to be a different form. That's going to be Form LLC 5, and that fee is also $70. Now, to actually file your LLC articles of organization in California, there are a few different ways that you can do this. The first is you file online through the California Secretary of State's website. So if you want to learn more about that, the link is going to be right down there in the description below. And you can also file it in person at one of the Secretary of State's offices. Step number 4 is to get an LLC EIN. This is also known as your Federal Tax Identification Number. Think of it as a social security number for your business. And this is going to allow the IRS to identify and keep track of your business's tax status. You will need this number to open up a business bank account, to file and manage your federal and state taxes, as well as hire employees. This is very easy. You'll simply fill out a form online, and we will link to that down below as well. One important thing to note for California LLCs is that you are required to file a Statement of Information, Form LLC 12, within 90 days of forming your LLC. This costs $20 to file, and you will need to file this form every 2 years. Also unique to California is that you'll need to pay an annual franchise tax of $800 minimum, regardless of whether your LLC makes any money or not. Step number 5 is to create an LLC operating agreement. This is not required in California, but it is still good to have one. If you have multiple owners for your LLC, this is going to help you structure the financial relationships of each owner. And it's really going to just tell everybody what to expect from the company. It's also going to include information about ownership, members' rights and responsibilities, joining and leaving rules, as well as the rules for dissolution. And then after you form your LLC, there are a few other things that you will need to know. We're going to cover those really quickly right now. The first is that you will definitely want to keep your business and personal assets separate. If you don't do this, then you are going to do what is known as pierce the corporate veil. And when that happens, if people come and sue your company, then they can come after your personal assets, which we obviously don't want. So to remedy this, you will definitely want to get a business checking account. You're going to want to get a business credit card. You're going to also want to hire an accountant. You may also need to get business insurance, but I'm not going to cover that in this video too much, as it's really going to depend on your business type. You'll also probably want a business website, so be prepared to work on this, or you can hire somebody to make this for you. We will leave some resources down below if you do actually want to build that yourself. And yeah, like I mentioned earlier, if you don't want to do all of this stuff yourself, which I definitely recommend not doing yourself, since there are so many things that you can mess up, so many compliance issues and things like that, just use a platform like LegalZoom to do this for you. It's going to make your life way easier so that you can spend your time building your business rather than worrying about a bunch of paperwork. And yeah, like I mentioned earlier, if you don't want to do any of this stuff yourself, which I definitely recommend you not doing, since there are so many things that you can mess up, so many compliance issues and things like that, just use a platform like LegalZoom to do it for you. It's going to make your life way easier. It's going to save you a ton of hassle. So let me walk you through it. It only takes 3 to 5 minutes to get started. Click the exclusive discount link for LegalZoom down in the description. Then when you're on the website, click on the button to get started. You will be asked what type of business you're starting and in what state. So we're just going to select LLC and the state that you're starting your LLC in. Next, you are going to be asked to name your company, the purpose of your business, and the business address. All you need to do now is type in the members of the LLC, give your contact information, and select if there is any additional things that you would like LegalZoom to take care of, like getting your EIN or setting up a trademark. Once you've done all that, all you need to do is submit your payment and you're done. LegalZoom will take care of the rest for you. It saves you so much time, so much hassle, and it only takes 3 to 5 minutes to fill everything in. That is why I highly recommend it to everybody that I know, because it makes starting your LLC a whole lot easier. Again, that exclusive discount link for LegalZoom is down below. Click it to get started in just a few minutes. Anyway, that is basically how you set up an LLC in the state of California. All the resources that we mentioned in this video are going to be down below in the description. And yeah, I really hope that this video was helpful. If you got some value out of this video, please make sure to share it with a friend, and also like and subscribe for more content just like this. This whole channel is dedicated to giving you free guides and free tutorials to help you start up your business. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.